So today I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite perfumes of all time. Like, these are my ride or die perfumes. I love sweet scents, like anything sweet, like candy, sweet, caramel, vanilla, coconut, like that is my scent. So if you guys like sweet scents, this video is for you because these perfumes are it. I actually made a TikTok on this and a lot of people liked it. So if you guys aren't following me on TikTok already, follow me on TikTok because I do post on there. But let's get into the video. But before we get into it, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on, give the video a like, and let's get into the video. So the first perfume is Daisy Love Marc Jacobs. I got this as a gift from my mom, and when I opened it and I saw the flower, I was shook. I was like, oh my god, no, she didn't get me this because I hate floral. I hate floral scents. I only love sweet scents. Like, sweet is my thing. That's what I like. But floral, So I was so terrified when I seen this, but guys, oh my god, the smell is so good. It is so sweet. Like, I can't even tell you. And it's actually classified as a floral. So this perfume is considered a warm floral. So it's not like a straight floral, it's a warm floral. And that warm floral is what makes it sweet. You don't even smell the floral scent to it at all. Like, I don't smell it at all. The main keynote in this is cloudberries. I honestly didn't even know what cloudberries were until I googled it, but it's kind of like similar to blackberries, and it is so good. And I think that's what makes it so sweet. It smells so good because cloudberries is the main keynote. So it's a warm floral, and it says the keynotes are the crystallized cloudberries, daisy tree petals, cashmere musks, and driftwood. And on here it says it's addictive and irresistible. And let me tell you, when I put this on, I definitely feel irresistible. Like, it smells amazing. It says it has a vibrant burst of sweet cloudberries. So I'm telling you, that sweet cloudberry is what makes this so sweet. And it lasts pretty long. It lasts a few hours on. I'm not going to tell you it lasts all night because it doesn't, but it does last a few hours. So it's pretty good for like an outing, I would say. This is so good. One of my absolute favorite perfumes. So guys, definitely check this out. And Marc Jacobs has other Daisy perfumes. I've smelt their other Daisy perfume, and I personally feel like that's very floral. But this, guys, the warm floral, I'm telling you, this is it. So definitely check this out. It's amazing. The second perfume is Burberry Her. Guys, this one too, so sweet. It's so sweet. And this one is actually still considered a floral. And I know I said I hate floral, but they're classified as florals, but you don't smell the floral because this one is considered a fruity floral. So the notes on here are dark berries, jasmine, and musk amber. So the dark berries, similar to the Marc Jacobs had cloudberries. This one has dark berries. So I think that it's the berries mixed in that makes it so sweet. I think that that's what the mixture is. Berries with floral combined together just make this sweet scent, because you smell no floral, and then musk amber is in this perfume and it's also in the Marc Jacobs one. So I just feel like it's so sweet, guys. This just smells like so soft and innocent. This is the vibe that this gives me. This gives me like soft, innocent, I'm a good girl kind of vibe. Like, this is the vibe I get when I put this on. And the only thing with this, I will say, is it doesn't last long. When I put this on, I feel like it kind of disappears after like a while. Compared to the Marc Jacobs definitely lasts a lot longer compared to this. Sometimes I put this on and I forget I'm wearing it. I'm just like, it's gone. So this is like my everyday perfume because it's very soft, very gentle, very like angelic. This is like, I want you to smell, like, I want you to see I smell really good, but I also want you to think that's what I naturally smell like because it's not a strong scent kind of thing. So it's good. It's really good. So I wear this like every day. This is like my go-to perfume. I'm already on my second bottle. So this is like my go-to perfume. I just spray it on like every day when I walk out the door. And I'm one of those girls that has to wear perfume every single day. I know there are some people that only like to wear perfume on special occasions. I love perfume. So even if I'm just like walking out the door, have to put a perfume on, this is my perfume that I put on. So this one is Bon Bon by VIKTOR and ROLF, and this is so good as well. It's very sweet. It's very intense though. I would say this is one of the more intense scents than the other two. This is more intense, lasts for hours. This is giving me like let me give you a backstory to this one. This is like, we're going on a date, I'm trying to impress you. You're definitely going to notice me. You're definitely going to think I smell amazing. Like this is like date night. This is like, we're going out, we're going to on a date. I'm making an appearance. Like this is just, we're going all out for this one. And the key notes in this one, let me just pull it up real quick. This one is also a floral. I know, a floral again, but guys, this is a fruity floral again. So this is caramel. The keynotes are caramel, mandarin, and orange blossom. So again, it's the fruits with the floral that make it so sweet. So this is so good, and this one's sweeter than the other ones because this has caramel in it. So that's definitely what makes it a little bit stronger, a little bit more sweeter. And it kind of smells like peaches. Like what I'm envisioning is like peaches dunked in caramel. That's literally what this smells like. So again, it smells so good. It lasts for hours. This is one of my go-tos when I go out. Lasts for such a long time. Like this is really good. And now my last one. This one, guys, is my absolute favorite. Like I have been wearing this perfume for like years now, years. Like this is my staple. Everybody knows this is what I wear. When I walk in the room, everybody knows because they can smell me with this perfume. Like guys, this is it. It is my Black Opium YSL perfume. This is amazing, phenomenal, like phenomenal. This is so good. This is probably like my 5th bottle. I actually have a roller ball and a mini one that I carry on me. I have one in my car, have one in my purse, and then I have this one at home. So I am always with Black Opium on deck. Like this is my go-to perfume. It is so good. It lasts for hours, guys, hours. This is the only perfume that I have ever tried that will last me like 5+ hours. Like I wear this to work, especially when I'm at the club, and I'm not kidding. Like when I tell you, I get so many compliments when I'm at work. Customers are always like, you smell so good. Like I can't tell you how many times I am told I smell so good when I'm at work because this perfume is so strong. It smells like vanilla. It smells so sweet, but it's like a musky vanilla. So it's like very strong. It's very out there. Now this vibe is like total baddie vibes. Like I'm putting this on and I feel fierce. Like I am fierce. I am a baddie. Like I'm going out there. Like you're definitely going to know I smell amazing. You're definitely going to know when I walk into that room. This fragrance family is actually warm and spicy. So this one is not floral at all. Keynotes are black coffee, white flowers, and vanilla. So it has flowers, but again, I don't smell it. And vanilla. Vanilla, that's what gets me. It's the vanilla. And when I put this on, my boyfriend is obsessed with it. He always says I smell so good. He always says I smell good, but this one, I'm telling you, he goes crazy. Guys, please, if you listen to any of my recommendations ever, please, this is it. This is really it. And they have a lot of different Black Opium versions. I've noticed that they come out with different versions, but this is the original one. And I've never like switched. I've smelled the other ones, but they just don't do it like this. So guys, so that is the end of my video. I hope this was helpful to you guys. I promise you, if you guys wear these perfumes, I promise you, you are going to thank me. You're going to smell like a whole snack, a whole meal. Like you are going to smell amazing. So try this out, guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys like. Do you guys like sweet perfumes? Because if you guys do, please try these out and let me know in the comments down below what perfumes you guys like because I love trying new things. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.